commonality they share in common. Toothpick is wood, forest is wood. So they hope. You see? So this is how Mitch Hedberg juxtaposition of incongruity. That's how his surrealistic arises. How cohesive and how philosophically advanced comedic wise Mitch Hedberg was. So in every field you see this exemplified. Every field you see this juxtaposition of incongruity metaphorically exemplified. You see that prevalent in tech companies on the Nasdaq stock market. When Google purchased YouTube. Why would Google purchase YouTube? What is the relationship between Google and YouTube? Google is a search engine and YouTube is a video sharing network. What is the disparity? What is the commonality? Why would Google purchase YouTube? So that's a contrast, a search engine, right, and a video sharing website, right? But when Google purchased YouTube for $1.5 billion, what they do a year later was a fascinating phenomenon. They made every single user on YouTube convert their username to Gmail account. So that automatically made Google one of the largest email registrar on the planet. Boom! That's a fascinating phenomenon. So they had a formula, and this whole formula derived from, again, is the juxtaposition of incongruity. Once you could place your mind in a very abstract state, where it becomes comfortable with ambiguity, indecisiveness, and uncertainty, the triple or more interpretation, and you could train yourself to get used to uncertainty or used to ambiguity, a lot of intriguing phenomenon arises, creative phenomena arises when you take two polarity, two unrelated items side by side, and you have to merge